Alright, today we're doing a fitment on a BMW X5M. This one's a competition. This is a 2024. And this has the camera in the lower part of the grille there, so we're going to have to do it off to the side. Alright, got it.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and remove the two screws right next to each other. They'll be on the driver's side or the right side as you're looking at it. You can use a 10mm socket. And we're going to be reusing these fasteners. One. Two. Okay, so now we're going to take the base plate and kind of just hold it up there real quick, and you can see where the 3M tape would be. So you're going to take your alcohol pad and clean that, and then you would be removing the film from the 3M tape. But being as this is just a demo, we're not going to actually stick it on. Then you're going to take your two factory fasteners and carefully start to screws without sticking the tape onto the bottom of the car yet. But once you get the two screws started, it'll automatically line up the tape where it needs to go. Then you take your 10mm socket and just start tightening it up, and you can see it'll draw that right there. Snug, and then these are going into a metal J-clip, so you can tighten them pretty good, as you can see there. There you go, nice and solid. Take your front, start it into the tubes. Pull back your pull pin, slide it until it locks into place.
Okay. And there it is off to the driver's side, and you're all done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.